Well, just as I thought we hadn't seen any damage from the fire, we stumbled across it. I can't believe it stopped where it did. Just like an empty shell. We're gonna go to the back door, see if our tree's still there, man. Good Lord, I don't have any great amount of hope. I don't know. We'll have to go in and see. I'll have to take the road and
there's still that area over there.
wow, man. I wonder if this big old truck up there. Oh, here comes somebody else down here looking, rubbernecking. We're gonna try to get down in there and see what we can see. It's so weird that it spared this very last like 5 feet. Well,
None of this is
no, not here. Oh my goodness, dude. That is alien, man. Just empty. Good Lord. That was one hell of a fire. All this mesquite, that probably smelled pretty good. Alright, coming up on the back door here.
Oh, I thought that was the back door.
No, that's a tricky one. Well, it looks like this side is, oh, no, it's pretty damaged in the back there. Huh? No, I want to go straight to the tree. I don't give a shit about the paintball field. I'm sorry, I cussed. I do give a darn about the paintball field, but the trees are baby. Alright, we're entering the wasteland. I feel like this is like the yellow brick road, and we're going through that spooky forest where the crabapple trees were hitting them and stuff. That's the one where like the midget evidently hung himself in the background. I'm sorry, he's not a midget, he's a dwarf or something. Man, used to be a wide open road. For some reason it's not too open anymore. Ow! This bush hurts. Here you go. It's one thing about El Paso, everything has stickers on it. Dude, I don't have much hope for the tree, man. What is it?
It's still
Oh my goodness.
fucking heat.
No way.
I knew I was supposed to smell something smoldering.
Oh yeah. Dude, we could cut straight through to the tree, I'm sure.
No, I think it's just a path.
Oh, sorry. Swamp bush. Look at these awesome little hills. I never even saw that one. I've been up on this one. Right. So I'm pretty sure our tree's right over there. And I'm pretty sure we can cut right through, but we have to go over. You want to cut through?
No.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Look, there's me and Danny's little stove over there. Oh, sorry.
Can you imagine that's what really started it?
I know some dumbass out here fucking.
Fucking did that shit. I mean, look.
I don't even get that. I mean, what? This looks like it was trying to be set, doesn't it? I guess they could have tried to do some burn control type of burning. I think this was the entrance.
No. It's farther that way.
It's actually warm right here. You can feel it radiating off the ground. Right here. This is it. Huh. See an easier path. This one might have actually made it, look. The bark's all gone, but the wood's just smooth as hell and it's looking nice. Unless oh, this one's pretty hollowed out though, man.
We'll see.
Well, I'm gonna head this way and look for a bucket in the ground. Pretty sure it's over this way somewhere. It's like walking through a war zone or something, man. Oh, there it is. There it is. Fuck, man. Here's our place. It's all trashed now. Oh, nice. Still there. Oh, another one. Our triangle.
There's another one.
Oh, yep.
Look, there's smoke still coming from the ground right there.
Where?
So yeah, there's your tree right there.
Yeah. That was the tree. This is our club. And right back there is where we saw the other piece me and Danny had put in. This used to be the trash bucket. There was our benches. I didn't know the river was so close.
Yeah.
Right through there. Wow, it's right there, man. Well, shit. Sucks I had made so many other little places with Danny for Caden.
There'll be other places.
Ow. Well, I guess that's it for the tree. It's good while it lasted. Look, that'll be some new growth.